Why spend your leisure bereft of pleasure, amass and treasure? Why scrape and save? Why look so canny at every penny? You'll take no money within the grave. Landlords and gentry with all their plenty must still go empty where'er they're bound. So to my thinking we'd best be drinking our glasses clinking and round and round.
Is sommerly a viesig dena chinopien sa dena stoil is leid a chiv nias der an tail shog a meshid shiampa fein a foil mas tiene tire duch nori ho nirach a pian lat fein void Marsin da vish Neil Bart nias chriama na vega shiri chair prabs an all.
King Solomon's glory, so famed and story, was far outshone by the lily's guise. But hard winds harden both field and garden, pleading for pardon, the lily dies. Life's but a bubble of toil and trouble, the feathered arrow once shot ne'er found. So lads and lasses, because life passes, come fill your glasses for another round.
Is sommerly viesig a lily skiava, giger buis gair galach roin. Solomon Creana in Nachalaria, only vech shangaver, vechoni of galo. Honil satel shach mashan an guihe, on slam na squeal, no slam den hio. Marchen da vrish, and Neil Bart nias Creana, na bagashiri, vecher prabs on all.
The huckster greedy, he blinds the needy, their straits unheeding, shouts money down. His special voices, his fancy prices, for a florin's value he'll charge a crown. With hum for trammel, the scripture's camel missed the needle's eye, and so came to ground. Why pine for riches, while still you've stitches to hold your breeches up? Another round.
And here's another song that Kieran used to sing called